Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to see and delete all your Facebook stories. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, on your device you have to launch Facebook app and then make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now in order to see and delete your Facebook post, first of all tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner of your screen and then again tap on the settings icon from the upper right corner, and in here scroll all the way down to your information section and then in there tap on activity log. Now again tap on activity history that you will see on the screen near trash, and there again tap on filters. From the bottom of your screen tap on category, and from this interface tap on your activity across Facebook from the very top of the list, and in here scroll down and look for stories. Once you see stories, tap on stories and then again tap on your stories. In here you will see all your stories that you have posted on Facebook. Now if you want to delete a single story, tap on the three dot icon that you will see on that story and then from there tap on delete. If you have multiple stories, then you can select them all and simply delete them all. Here I'm going with this one right here. Tap on three dot icon and then again tap on delete and again tap on delete, and your story will get deleted. So this is how you can simply see and delete all your Facebook stories. I hope this video helped you. Do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.